People think, oh my God, you're doing this for YouTube. I am absolutely shitting myself.
Oh, mate.
Oh my God.
Oh, fuck.
Shit, why are we there?
No, we shouldn't be there.
Fuck.
Oh, mate, I'm closing my eyes. Fuck
Mate,
that.
I'm shaking. I'm actually shaking here.
Get on it.
Oh my God, why is it rocking? Why is it rocking? Oh! Get us down. No. Far too high this. Whoa! Right, so today, myself and Bobby, Yorkshire Indian, we have booked parasailing. Why have we done this? Why have we done this to myself? Why put my life at risk every time? Yesterday was bad enough, flipping the jet ski, and today we're parasailing. So let's go up in the sky, hopefully get some really good footage for you lot. Don't go anywhere and subscribe to Dad Loves Food on YouTube. Right, so we're now going out. We're going to go... Oh, we're there. Where we're going? Parasailing. Right, so we're going out. We're going parasailing. We're going to listen to the guy now. He's going to give us some rules, some instructions.
That's right.
And then we'll go up in the air.
For you. Exit signs are here, left and right for up 30.
First crash. How high does it go in the air? How
It's
high?
going to be about 130, 140 meters.
40 meters.
Yeah, the rope is 250 meters.
Okay.
No.
You never fly straight.
I didn't even have time to get the camera on there before the parachute just went up. Why do we do these things? Why?
So we hold on to this.
Down, a little bit down. You don't need...
And we're going.
Oh my gosh! Oh!
We're going forward.
This is on.
Is mine on? Make sure mine's on. Make sure this is tight.
Weight is more than what is on.
Who's his or mine? Both. Make sure we don't go with. Make sure that's hooked. Hooked, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, now you're gonna be in balance.
I hope so.
Down.
I hope so.
Okay.
Now we're balanced. Shit. You sure? We're balanced. Oh, shit. Oh my God. Oh, that's rocking. That is rocking. Shit.
I don't want to go in that sea again. I do not want to go in that sea.
We're flying. I'm like a bird.
I believe I can fly.
Oh my God, mate.
I believe I can. I should be singing that song.
Shit. Oh my God.
Oh Jesus, that is deep.
That is high, mate. That is high. Why have we done this?
Oh,
Mate, why have we done this?
It's going to go higher.
Listen, I'm not doing it again.
This ain't 140.
Oh my God.
I'm just
Please
scared
stop.
of falling in the water.
Get me, I know, mate. I know. Shit. Like, the views are incredible. Thank you so much.
What it is,
First
the wind.
excursions, Tenerife.
The wind
Big up for them.
take us. I don't even know where the fucking harness is.
Oh my God, why is he going further? Why is he going so far? Rochelle, I love you. I haven't done my will yet. Oh my God, what was that noise?
Sabna, sorry.
What was that
I
noise?
did say no more water sports. This is actually not in the water.
Oh my God. Mate, no more water sports for me. No more water sports.
Oh, wow.
Do not
We're
look
going
down.
towards that hotel.
Do not look down. Do not look down, Craig. Shit.
Oh dear.
Shit.
The more you look down, the worse it is.
Oh
actually.
my God.
Oh Jesus.
Look how far the boat is. Oh,
shit.
well, we're blown.
Shit.
We're blown.
Shit.
We are blown.
Shit.
We are blown.
Shit, we're too close to that road, man.
Get us out. Get us out.
What?
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. What is that? Please stop going up. Please stop going up. Please stop. No. Please. Oh my God, stop us going up. Stop us going up. Shit.
Oh mate.
Get us down.
Mate.
Get us down now. Oh. People think, oh my God, you're doing this for YouTube. I am absolutely shitting myself.
Oh mate.
Oh my God.
Do you want to just pan into that boat to show how far it is?
Oh my God, look at that.
Oh my God.
That is insane. That wind, oh my God, please stop, please get us in. Please just, oh fucking hell. Shit. Mate.
Right, let's suck it all in.
Oh my God, why is it rocking? Oh, fuck, get us down now. Oh my God. Get us down now, get me down, get me off this.
That's too high.
Right, come on, reel it in, lads.
Right,
Fucking hell.
Down.
Please, 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 please. Oh my God. Who does it? Who does these kind of things? Mate, get us down. No, 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 no. Far too high this.
Shaking's too good,
The wind is ridiculous. There's a Kalima, so we can't even see properly.
Oh my
Mate,
God.
I feel sick.
I'm actually.
I feel sick.
No,
I actually feel sick.
I'm not
Like,
usually that scared. When it started shaking.
please, 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 just start reeling us in. Please, please, please. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Beautiful views all around, but please, 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 just reel us in. We're too high. We're shaking.
Oh, he's pulling us
Oh,
in.
please, I hope he is, mate. I really hope he is pulling us in.
He's pulling
Please be pulling us in.
Ah! Ah!
Oh my God,
Ah!
we are flowing,
Ah!
blowing left to right. I haven't stopped, mate. And that's a Yorkshire Indian. Give him a follow.
Ah! Ah!
Shit.
Ah! Why are we going there?
Mate, we're
Look
going
at that,
too
look
close
at it.
over there.
Pan that in. Why are we going there?
We're going too close.
That's too fucking close to the rocks.
Far too close,
What's he
mate.
doing?
Far too close. Shit.
Oh, fuck
Please
off.
stop, please. Oh my God, please stop.
No way.
Please, 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 please.
We
please,
should be
please.
going over the rocks,
Listen,
mate.
if you're a proper thrill seeker, you're all gonna love this.
Oh,
I'm not. I'll tell you right now. I'm not. 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 I like land. I like being on land. Why
Holy
are we blown
fuck.
over that way? Why?
We are over people's sunbeds.
Shit.
Oh shit. Can you see down?
Shit. Oh my God.
Oh fuck.
Shit. Why are we there?
No, we shouldn't be there.
Fuck. Fuck. Fuck.
Oh mate, I'm closing my eyes. Fuck.
Mate,
that.
I'm shaking. I'm actually shaking here.
Oh Jesus.
Shit.
I've never been.
Why
this
are we going over these?
I have never been. This
Hello, neighbours. Oh my God.
Hello, bastard.
We should not be going over these, surely. Oh my God, mate.
Look
Mate.
at the shadow there, look.
Mate, no,
Look
get
at
me
that,
off.
Look at the parachute shadow
Get me
there.
off,
Can you
get
feel
me
that?
off.
Oh,
Get
mate.
me off,
Mate,
please.
What's he doing?
Why are we over the rocks and houses and that, please? No, 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 no. No, get us in, man.
Hey!
Get us in. No, oh, why are we... We're like on top of the houses, man.
Fuck me.
What is going on here? Please, 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 mate. You've got us over rocks and that here. Please stop, please, please. Get us in. Get me home safe. To my family. Kids, I love you. Mum, I love you, please.
Oh, this is right, this.
Oh my God, please, what is he doing? Why are we over these?
Oh, mate. This is right, this.
Like, the whole point is it to be out at sea?
Oh, for fuck's sake. Look
Mate.
at this.
Oh, fuck me. Reel us in, man.
This is punishment.
Come on, come on, come on. There's no need for this. Look below us, please. Stop, mate.
I will be good boy.
Mate, why are we like this? Why are we over here now?
My homework.
Why are we over here? Oh,
Look at my
shit.
heels. Oh,
Shit,
fucking
please
hell.
stop. Please, please, please
Oh,
stop.
no, I'm not looking at that.
Please.
I'm not
Oh.
looking at that road.
I feel physically sick here.
I'm not
I
looking
feel
at
sick.
that road, mate.
Mate, we're too close to the mountains. Please stop, mate.
Oh, fuck me. I'm just waiting for it to fucking snap any minute. My God.
Mate, oh my God. We're going down.
Oh,
What are you doing here, mate?
We
No,
are
no,
going
no.
down.
No, mate. Get us. Are you mad?
oh, wait a minute. We're fucking going down. It's going to drag us
Is he?
over.
Oh my God. No. Whoa.
What's he doing?
Fucking hell.
Jesus Christ, we were going down there, weren't we?
Please, please, please. Get us in the sea. Get us over the sea at least.
Fucking idiot.
Please, man. Get us over the sea.
He's done that to shit us up, hasn't he?
Oh my God.
I thought we were going to land on that hotel.
Mate, I thought we were coming down on all them bricks there. Bricks, all the rocks. Please reel us in. Like, even a fall for me is dangerous in sea, but why are we over there?
Oh, no way, mate. I'm not going back on second time, are you?
No, not a chance.
No way.
They said, oh, you can go up twice. Nah.
Not twice for the filming, I'm not. Fuck that. We
Nah.
we got enough
Oh
here.
my God.
Can I just say to the camera,
Yeah.
I'm not even pretending this
Oh.
is so... Oh! Oh!
Not
This is
in it.
frightening, really frightening. It's supposed to be enjoyable, and I'm not enjoying a second. But...
Mate, I
highly
said to you I
recommended.
didn't want to do this. I told you I didn't
Highly
want
recommended.
Highly recommended. Not by us, it's not. Not by us.
and going over those buildings. That's
Nah.
And then
Shit,
dropping
my-
down.
Listen, everyone who knows my videos knows that I always tell the truth. I don't do any bullshit. And I'm telling you right now, I am shitting myself still. We're rocking. Stop. Why is he doing that? Please stop, please. No. I can see the boat.
We were about 80 feet above. 80 feet
No,
above those buildings.
please, mate.
And he's got to reel us in now.
Yeah, but he's rocking like, is there no, oh my God, please stop, mate. Please stop.
Right, let's try and
Like-
soak it all in, man.
Woo!
I'm just going to relax, put my
Mate.
hands on my legs. That looks a nice sea with the boat.
Oh my
I'm
God.
relaxing now. I'm kind of trusting the harness.
Yeah, you're trusting it. Yeah, I'm not. I don't, mate. I don't trust it. This is where we came off the jet skis. Oh, was it further away?
I can see the pub from here. Fuck me, I don't
Mate.
like that rocking.
Nah,
I really
me
don't.
neither.
And I know it's wind. And if you're a paraglider, parasailer, whatever, and you're going, oh, you pussies, I don't really care.
Yeah, me neither. I will happily be called whatever
Yeah,
you just want to call me.
all day long.
Ah, get me off! Nah. Shit. Oh,
We're men, but we're not scared to admit when we're scared. We're scared.
fucking hell.
This was
Mate.
absolutely frightening.
Worst idea. I didn't even want to do this.
I
So
said
Bobby,
no.
you said yes.
I said no.
You said yes. I was like, no, not parasailing. You were like, yeah, let's do parasailing. I was
said
like, nah.
But I thought it was going to be single. I didn't know it was going to be double.
Oh my God, stop rocking, please. What's it say if you like up here? Please stop rocking.
Oh, look
Mate,
at
my
the-
arm's shaking.
Film that. Film Puerto Rico.
Hey, it's good that this has got a gimbal on it because my arm is shaking.
Puerto
There's
Rico.
Puerto Rico over there.
Can you zoom in?
Oh, mate, I'm not
Beautiful,
even.
isn't it?
Why is it going
To
further
be
out,
honest, I
please?
could have
Just get
brought
us
my
in.
camera, you know. I could have brought mine without the string. I'd have been alright.
Oh my God, what's he doing? Can you not just reel us in?
He has to go around there. That's where we are.
Oh, we're not there.
No, we're there.
Shit, man. Shit.
That's the beach. That's the marina there.
I thought we were. Oh my God! Please stop going up. Please stop going up. Please.
He's fucking dropping us. He needs to pull us in a bit more before he drops
Oh
us.
my God! Oh my God! Please stop. Oh, like you need a walkie-talkie from doing what you say. Like, mate, stop taking us up. We're not bothered about the views. We don't care about views.
Is he carrying on? He needs to roll us in.
Stop.
And he's got us over some jet. Oh my God, look at them. Won't we fall on them? These jet skis.
Mate, take us home, man. Please don't take. No, please do take me home. Actually.
Careful!
Stop us rocking, please, man. Look at these jet skis down there.
Careful!
Whew.
Hey, we're going
Are we
What?
following this
We're landing
boat?
on that boat. Get ready! Get ready! Shit,
Shit, is he getting us in it? What's going on here?
we're a bit low.
All right, mates. Shit.
No, he's taking us out. He's rolling us in.
Yeah.
We've got enough. So we land
So
on
we're-
there.
so
Don't
we're going
forget,
back
you gotta
up.
Lift your legs like this, yeah?
Yeah, I can't. My legs are stiff. They're like a statue
My
now.
legs are fucking- my thighs
Oh
are
my
hurting
God.
yesterday, now my quads are hurting.
My arse is hurting.
Oh,
So it looks like he's taking us up to reel us in. So he's doing a loop, which doesn't sound great because it feels like we're going up again. And hopefully he's reeling us back.
yeah, he's got a good height there now. We went a bit low.
There, just for a photo. The last photo, stick that on me coffin. On me coffin.
It's alright. It's okay, guys. I'm getting cremated.
Same, but you still have to be in a coffin. Oh, get me home. There's a boat there, another boat. Mate, you're gonna
Yeah,
crash.
just watch that fucking boat.
Oh
pal.
my God, you're gonna crash, mate.
Woo!
Now we can pretend we're brave. We can pretend now after shitting myself. Get me home. At least now, unless there's a major accident, we're gonna live.
Legs up! Legs up! Legs up! Legs up!
Oh,
Sit down.
oh,
Sit down. Sit down.
mate.
Okay. So now.
No, no, nothing. No, nothing.
No,
No,
that's it.
no,
No more.
nothing. No more.
Yeah.
You go up, mate.
No.
You
You
go-
video you
No,
now.
no, yeah, you
No,
go up.
no,
You
no
go up
more.
now. We are good.
That's it,
Fuck
the camera.
that. Listen, the important thing is we're here, we're on dry land, and we're alive. Scary.
So
that.
my resting heart rate, we just checked, is 55 to 58. And while we were at the top, it got to 122. I was shitting myself.
Yeah, but why do we, I don't understand why we had to go over the beach,
hotel,
the
beach,
hotel,
yeah, that was scary.
the big massive rocks.
Those boulders. Oh my god. Oh my word.
But we are alive. I hope you like this video as much as we didn't enjoy making it. Don't forget to subscribe to Dad Loves Food and the Yorkshire Indian,
Thank
and we'll see you on the next one.
It was almost like an out-of-body experience, wasn't it? Really. It's just like
I said
just
my
giving up
goodbyes.
on life.
I said my
We
goodbyes.
said goodbyes. Just
Yeah.
giving up. I was calling for my mother. I was calling God. I'm not even religious.
So, Bobby's just said there, when we were talking about being up in the air, honestly, you can see from the video, we were genuinely scared. Heart was racing, shaking. At different points, I thought we're going further up, we're going further down, we're going to hit the rocks, we're going to hit the beach, we're going to land on a hotel. And as we got off, Bobby said, we're people, we're humans, we're not meant to do stuff like that. I was like, what do you mean? He said, well, if we went to fly, we'd have wings. We'd have wings, wouldn't we? And I'm just sat laughing my head off. But yeah, he is right. If we were meant to be up in the sky, we would have wings.